All right, guys. So in the next 15 minutes or less, we'll just be doing a quick review. Yeah, let us quickly start with Bitcoin. You know, Bitcoin made some waves yesterday. Yesterday, I remember telling you guys yesterday that I expected Bitcoin to hit this liquidity level, right? Remember, um, please, if you think maybe I'm not, I didn't do that. Just watch the video. I pointed out that I expect Bitcoin to take out this 6,900 level, and that was what happened. So if I click touch here now, you can just look at the high. At least the high, right? So if I touch the high, I can see that Bitcoin actually went above 6,900, went to 6,9210. So Bitcoin was able to take out the previous high, all right? So if you ask me, I believe that Bitcoin is still going to breach because I believe that there are people that trade double tops and double bottoms. If you trade double top and double bottom, I assume, because I don't trade that, so I assume based on what I know, that if you trade double top and double bottom, most likely your stop loss is going to go a bit above this high, right? So Bitcoin it's not done going up. It's not really done. All right. I believe Bitcoin is still going to run higher a bit, at least to run out its liquidity properly, right? So I believe that especially yesterday, as we saw this big candle now, right? As we saw this big candle, there's a very big or high probability that people will see this candle now and be thinking that Bitcoin is ready to drop. But that is very unlikely because I saw the liquidity. So now Bitcoin has tapped into this fair value gap down here. And if I see a buy opportunity, I'll take it because Bitcoin is likely going to still go higher, right? But just to be safe, it's just best to stay away. But if you can see a buy opportunity on Bitcoin, to run this high properly, right? That would be nice. So your target will still be 6,900. You buy and then take price up. So I still believe in bullish Bitcoin, right? And then looking at the lower time frame structure, let's take out this stuff I put here. Sorry, take this out. So looking at the lower time frame, you can see we are still breaking high. So the market is kind of giving a bullish structure already, right? We see this fair value gap tapped into. We see this fair value gap tapped into. We see price break again, came back to this other block here, and then price is likely going to still run for that 6,900 level again, right? So I still believe that Bitcoin is still going to go up, right? And also on yesterday, I talked about gold running that liquidity. Did I do that? Yes. Oh my God. So talk about gold hitting this liquidity. So I'm still positive that gold will still take out this liquidity. Right, let's check another broker because on some brokers, I think gold hits that liquidity. Let's check Paper Stone and be sure of that. Okay, it didn't. So let's go back. Let's go back. All right. So for gold, I still feel that gold is still going to take out this liquidity here. I still feel that gold is still going to run bullish. And remember, I told you guys that I expect gold to be bullish once it can hit this fair value gap, right? Or let's say this daily imbalance. So I still have a daily fair value gap as well. So I have two areas of interest. All right. So I'm looking at the buy inside here. Anywhere from here, they below the low of yesterday is a fair value gap. So I'll have to see what gold is going to do. Right, anywhere from here will be nice to see it. So I either like this daily gap or this 4 hour gap, any of them. But I believe that this 4 hour gap is more probable because there was a kind of consolidation before it. So let's work with a 4 hour gap. Let's work with a 4 hour gap. All right, so that's what I have for gold. I still believe gold is still going to go up. Now let's go to DXY and do a quick review. All right, so yesterday I was like, okay, I was expecting bullish orientation from this point. You can see that did not happen. Market actually dumped down, and I was expecting the market to be bearish on Euro USD and GBPUSD, right? So you can watch the video of yesterday to confirm what I was saying. But what happened was that I was looking at the lower time frame structure, and I could see that the market was not ready to go bullish, right? The market was not ready to go bullish. So I want to go, guys. I want to go quickly show you guys some things so you guys can see some things that were happening yesterday. So I'm going to quickly show you guys my Telegram channel. All right, so if you have not joined the Telegram channel, please do want to join. So you can see some of the trades I took yesterday. Right, where they commented there, you can see I actually did do some trades on Euro USD. You can see it. Okay, this was the GBP. No, not that one yet. Okay, this one. So you can see my trades I took. You can see my Euro USD buy. I can see this buy. You can see I was buying Euro USD. and you can see how it's hit TP nicely. Then look at another one. Can see this one as well. I also bought GBPUSD and it also hit take profit, right? The reason I bought this was because of the lower time frame structure, right? Now let me quickly go to the charts. Now the reason why I bought that was because although I was getting some bullishness from here, but I was looking at the lower time frame. Higher time frame analysis is also good when you combine with the lower time frame. So on the XY, I was looking at the XY, I could see that the XY was not giving that real bullishness that I wanted, right? And if you look at the Asian range, right, we could see that for yesterday, we could see that this guy was running high. Usually, I told you guys that if you're expecting the market to be bullish, you expect price to run below the Asian low before going high. But in this case, we saw that DXY was doing what? DXY was running higher first, and then there was a break of structure here. You can see the market only broke structure somewhere around it. There was a break of structure here, right? A bearish break of structure. So if the lower time is giving a bearish structure, right, for dollar index, why do you want to buy EU and GU? So why you want to sell them? So this was giving us an indication that price wants to go lower, right? And then I knew that DSI was giving this bearish sign, and then you can simply go to euro dollar. Like I said, euro dollar was also giving us a bullish setup. Market did what? The ran below what? The Asian low, right? And then it gave a bullish break of structure. So market, you've seen that the price has gone below Asian range, and during our Q zone window, market gives a bullish break of structure. You can see that this is an indication that market wants to run high. And not only that, we had liquidity resting to the upside. Oh my God. We had liquidity resting to the upside, right? We had liquidity resting to the upside. Look at this liquidity here. You had this liquidity resting here. All this liquidity, you can see all this trend line liquidity. You can see all this liquidity resting to the next point. You can see all this liquidity. So all this liquidity point, as I was looking at, okay, this market might go up. Where I could see this liquidity here, could see this liquidity here, could see all this liquidity, all these highs forming, right? These are the reason. This is the reason why I opted to buy instead of sell, right? So that is it. So that is it's always good to be flexible. Even if you have an analysis, right, you have a bias, it's always best to go to the lower time frame and do some kind of inspection, right? When you're inspecting, you are not looking for your bias. That means if maybe you had a bearish bias, you're not looking for bearish stop yet. You're just using a free or unbiased mind to just go through the market. That is how I look at the market. So if maybe I have a bias now, I just use an open mind. I'm not having anything specific. I'm just using an open mind to just say, okay, let me just, what is the market actually doing? No bias, because if you have a bias already, it's going to be difficult to see a change in the market, right? But if you just enter the market without any specific bias, right? Although you have a heightened analysis, you're expecting the market to drop, but you don't enter with just a free mind, right? You're not trying to force any trade. You'll be likely it's very easy for you to see all this change in what you're looking at, right? So I was bearish, but I saw that the market was giving us a lower time frame bullish bias, right? So I had to opt to buy, and I bought and I made some good gains, all right? That is basically how you should approach the financial market, right? Always be flexible be flexible and also be stick to your plan. So you have to be in between, right? You have to be in between being flexible and sticking to your plan, right? So now what do I expect for Euro USD today? Right. Look at the charts here. All right. So look at the charts here. We are seeing that we are finding it difficult to break loose, right? The market is still unable to break loose, right? The market is still able to break loose and all of that, right? So you look at the 1 hour chart, you can see that the market is still unable to break loose. But I feel there's no clear 1 hour break or so yet. Look at it. Right, there's no 1 hour break here. There's no kind of bearish break yet. So there's still a possibility the market might still run high again today. Right, I still possibility the market might run higher today. Right, I see a very great possibility the market might run higher today. So let us keep an eye on the lower time frame. Now we have our Asian range printed. Let us see what the market is going to do. Right, there's no specific bias, but I feel that market might still run higher. I feel in my mind. I still feel that market might still run higher. Right, we still have this we still have liquidity resting here. I still have some kind of trend line liquidity resting here. Look at this. So I feel the market might still might still up to run higher, right? And now we have printed a kind of bullish order block inside it. Look at this bullish order block here, right? So look at this bullish order block that's been printed inside it. So this can also be a reason why price might go up. So market might likely come back, tap into this order block now, and then run higher, right? There's still possibilities for that. Right? This order block is not really responding nicely, right? There's possibility that this might send price up. Remember that in a bearish order block, you don't want to see bullish order blocks printing inside a bearish order. This is our bearish order block, right? This order block here. Now we are seeing a bullish order block printing inside the bearish order block. So it's likely that price might run higher. And you can see we are still below 50%, right? We're still below the discount level. We're still below the premium level. So market might still choose to run higher. And seeing that we have some kind of unmitigated imbalance here. Look at this. We still have this imbalance here. And you see how this imbalance here. So price might still want to run for this. So 6% price might run for this, right? I'm not the owner of the market, so let's just be flexible, right? Let's just be flexible. Right? For GBPUSD, same thing, same thing. We are seeing that bearish order block. I'm still expecting the market to be bearish, but the reason why I bought was because of the lower time frame yesterday, right? So let's be mindful of this. So in this example here, we are still in a kind of we are still in a very heavy premium level, right? At a very heavy premium level, 62% fib level, right? So GBPUSD looks more ripe for a sell than Euro USD, right? So we still have to wait for lower time frame structure to tell us what to do, right? Let's still wait for lower time frame structure to give us a confirmation, right? So we're okay. Wow, let's say 5 minutes break. Wow, this guy is looking very bearish. Let's put our Asian range. Okay, all right. So if you can take out the Asian high and then give us a reason to sell, that would be nice. So I feel that GBPUSD is more ripe for a sell than Euro USD is more ripe for a sell. So let us see what will happen today. All right. So I feel that market might still drop on this one. All right. So you can see that is it. So that is basically what I have for this base. Then let's just quickly look at GJ. All right. Let's look at GJ. Give me a moment. Just a moment, please. Just a moment. All right. So let's continue. But GJ, yesterday I said something about let me take off this skills one. Let's take it off. Like for GJ, I've seen been bullish, but the market has not really it's not really ripe for a buy yet, right? So let's just look at the 4 hour. Okay. Wow. Nice. Like I see something. All right, so I have my eye on this particular gap. Let's keep an eye on this. Oh my god, not that. I want to use it this. All right, let's keep an eye on this gap here. Let's keep an eye here. That'll be nice. Right. And the reason why my eyes are there is because of this other block here. Right, this is the reason why this other block here. Then we have that gap. So if we are going to continue bullish, then possibly it could be inside this area, right? So for now, just stay out and watch GJ drop, right? Wait for GJ to drop. And then let's look at GBPUSD. That one has been bullish, right? There's no stop on EUD yet. Just market has been bullish, so it has been crazy bullish. So we took our liquidity, and I remember I told you guys that we are probably still going to go for here and there. But for now, we don't have a trade idea until market gives us a reason to go to buy, right? And there's no reason for now. Just allow the market to set up, right? Nothing for me on GA for today. Nothing really for me. Right, market is still just taking out the high, so it's not wise to sell now because market can choose to just pump up, right? So it's just best to stay out and wait for the market to give you what that confirmation you're looking for. All right, so that's not really clear on me. We took out this daily high. This is 4 hour chart, nothing real for me, right? So I'll just stay out of GJ. I won't take anything on GJ yet. All right, and then let's look at the last pair, which is USD So USD all right, we still hit that fair value gap again yesterday. And you can see how the market pushed up, right? So we hit this fair value gap, and you can see market pumped from that fair value gap, right? So remember, I posted that for you guys yesterday. So if you have not watched this video, you can still watch it. See how that fair value gap, because that price is playing off that fair value gap, right? So it's very likely that price might buy today. You can see market still push up on this gap and no run higher, right? Remember, we have this liquidity resting there, or we have all those liquidity at the top side, right? Sorry. Not because we had this 4 hour, this daily imbalance, right? So this is also a form of liquidity. This should drop price. Price would want to go up to this point, right? So just keep an eye on this point, right? So be very careful. Don't wait for confirmations before taking your trades, right? So this is the 15-minute charts. 15-minute chart is now okay. We hit this bearish order block. It's nothing quite clear on this guy. Let's put our Asian range indicator again. So I feel that the market is bullish, but there's nothing really clear. Maybe in the New York session, we said, okay, that's a 1 hour break of structure. I see. All right, we hit this other block here. All right, okay. All right, so let's also watch. Let's watch. Okay, might run higher. Right, so now we have this fair value gap here. Right, let's keep an eye. Have this gap resting here. All right, so let's keep an eye on that. So once price taps into this gap properly, you can look for bullish confirmation. Right, look for bullish confirmation. So for this guy, I'm bullish for today. For EURUSD and GBPUSD, I'm bearish. Yeah, that is what I have for today. Right, so I think I don't want these videos to be so long, so you guys are just be able to watch it quickly, right? So I will see you guys tomorrow after the market was really. Remember to not over leverage, take it easy. And if you want to join our paid mentorship, you can use the link in the description. If you want to join our free Telegram group, also use the link in the description. So have a wonderful day. Cheers and God bless.